Snowball? Jordan, do you want to roll down the hill? Can I have a snow kiss?
No. Thanks.
You want me to help you, Pigeon?
Ready? 1, 2. Oh, here we go!
Ready? Set?
Woohoo! We won!
Oh my! I got robbed. he goes, hey Mom, you didn't won, we won. Jordan wants to roll too.
Are you sledding too? Yeah. Cool. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Good job. High five. Hold on tight.
My babies are going down the hill by themselves. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Whee.
It's getting big, Harry.
Oh.